Yes, hello and welcome back to my channel. So now we see here today the Ceado E37S, which is on the left-hand side to my Spaziale S1 Dream. And today we're gonna grind 16.5 grams within 4.6 seconds. I'm gonna now insert the portafilter and it will start grinding automatically. And now the grind is really fluffy and it looks good. And let's taste the espresso. Maybe one additional comment: while the espresso is extracting, on the upper right corner you see that there is a temperature scale that I adjusted to the grinder. Maybe I do another video where I can a little bit explain more about that. We'll see. And after that I'll enjoy my espresso. Bye.